Hi, I'm Zoya, and if you're a teacher who feels like there aren't enough hours in the day, this video is made specifically for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how teachers are using ChatGPT to plan an entire week of lessons in just 20 minutes. Not hours, not days, 20 minutes. No technical skills needed, no expensive software, just your phone or laptop and a free AI tool that is about to completely change how you work. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will never plan lessons the same way again. Let's get into it. Lesson planning is repetitive, time-consuming, and mentally draining. You're creating objectives, activities, worksheets, and assessments again and again. The real problem isn't effort, it's inefficiency. ChatGPT doesn't replace your teaching, it removes the busy work. By the end of this, you'll know how to generate a full weekly lesson plan, customize it for your class level, and create activities, worksheets, and assessments instantly. Most people fail because their prompts are vague. If your input is weak, your output will be weak. For example, create a lesson plan for biology is too vague. Instead, say, create a 5-day lesson plan for Class 10 biology on photosynthesis. Include objectives, activities, homework, and assessments. Each class is 45 minutes. That one change completely improves the quality of your results. Now paste your prompt into ChatGPT. Within seconds, you'll get a full weekly structure. Day 1 introduction, Day 2 core concepts, Day 3 practice, Day 4 application, Day 5 assessment. But don't copy it blindly. You need to check accuracy, adjust difficulty, and match your syllabus. ChatGPT gives structure. You apply judgment. Next, take one day and expand it. Ask ChatGPT to turn it into a detailed lesson with teaching steps, examples, and student activities. Now you get a clear teaching flow, questions to ask, and real examples you can use in class. This alone can save 30 to 40 minutes for a single lesson. Then move to worksheets. Ask for a worksheet with 10 questions based on that lesson, including answers. You can generate multiple choice questions, short answers, or case-based questions. If the level is wrong, fix it. Tell ChatGPT to make it easier or more challenging. Stop expecting perfect output in one try. You refine it. Now create your assessment. Ask for a short test with MCQs, short answers, and one long question. You can also generate answer keys, rubrics, and revision questions. This is how your teaching becomes structured and measurable. Now customize everything for your students. Make it simpler for weaker students, add advanced questions for high performers, or include interactive activities. This is where you bring real value. AI gives you the base. You make it effective. Avoid common mistakes. Don't copy-paste without reviewing. Don't use vague prompts, and don't expect perfect output instantly. ChatGPT is a tool. It needs direction. Here's the reality. Creating a weekly structure takes about 2 minutes. Expanding lessons takes around 10 minutes. Worksheets and assessments take about 8 minutes. That's roughly 20 minutes total. Without this, you're spending 2 to 3 hours every week doing the same work manually. That's all for today, but before you go, I want you to remember one thing. AI is not here to replace you. It is here to free you. Free you from the boring, the repetitive, the exhausting work that steals your evenings and drains your energy. You deserve more time, more freedom, more life beyond your 9 to 5. That is exactly why this channel exists. If this video helped you even a little, hit subscribe. Because every week, Zoya brings you real AI tools that real professionals are using right now to work smarter and live better. I will see you in the next one. Until then, go beyond.